I'm so full, I'm telling you. I just had a barbecue. Yeah, over there, boy. Remember, no excuses, chick. This is Marcus Body Coding live. No footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready to see? Let's do the move. Top cross, 5. Let's go. Again. Last time. Yeah, this is the move. Let's do it together. No excuses, remember. Let's do it together. I'll switch the cameras. Let's do it together on the grass. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We start tap, step to the back, and cross. Tap to the front, step in place, and tap to the side. Now with the right. Tap to the front, step to the back, on the ball of the feet. Yeah, and cross. Tap to the front, step in place, and tap. Again with the left. Tap, step to the back, cross, tap, step in place, tap. Tap, step to the back, cross, tap, step in place, tap. Again. Tap, step, cross, tap, step, tap. Tap, step, cross, tap, step, tap. Let's give it a count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It can be also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Yeah, amazing. I remind you, this is Marcus Body Coding live. But this is coding, yeah. We code these universal moves. And when I say universal moves, I mean moves that you can do while dancing hip hop, salsa, bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, rumba, samba, any style that you want. Yes, these are universal moves. But wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. I have a sense that you're the serious student. Yeah, the one that keeps practicing and keeps getting better. So, imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah, doing your makeup. And of course, practicing. So let's practice. We start with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. With the left. Tap. Step to the back and cross. Tap, step in place and tap to the side. Tap, step to the back and cross. Tap, step in place and tap. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's go again. Tap, step to the back and cross. Tap, step, tap. Tap, step to the back and cross. Tap, step, tap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing! Yeah, this is the move. Remember, universal moves. But I tell you one thing. Since you stay with me till now, which I super appreciate that, I'll express this gratitude with action. I will give you a link to the full tutorial. Yeah, this move, tap cross 5, you can practice this move with me in the studio for free anytime you want. And by the way, in the studio there won't be any wind or rain. I think that will start very soon. So to meet me in the studio, this one, no rain, no wind, you can check the link above, below, or wherever it might be. And if you see this on Instagram, you can check the link in the bio. Go to my YouTube channel and search for Tap Cross 5, which is this move, to practice and keep getting better. Yeah! Well, but what do you care? You have this video, right? So you can hit the replay button. Yeah, hit the replay button and do this move again and again. And then what do you do with it? Do it today. Yes, do it today in today's party. Whatever party it may be. Remember, hippo, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, whatever. But why today? Why today? Let's take this hill and answer the question. Yeah, we are on the hill. Why today? Because tomorrow, there's no footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So make sure to do this move today. So you'll come tomorrow for no footwork. So meet you tomorrow. Let's see you tomorrow.